I'm so excited to be here at the 2017 Automation Fair event because the top companies in industrial automation are here showing off their innovative products. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. I'm here in the Hubbell wiring device booth. This is one of those top companies, and I'm talking with Roy. So Roy, for those who don't know, tell us what your company does.
So Hubbell Wiring Device is a manufacturer of electrical connections. We've been around for 125 plus years. We actually invented the electrical connection many years ago. We pride ourselves on high quality industrial wiring devices.
And I understand you have at least two new products here you're introducing at the show. What are those?
That's correct. We're highlighting our Advantage Pin Sleeve Connection and also our Insight motor disconnect switches.
So tell me more about the first one.
Sure. This is our Advantage Pin and Sleeve, so it's an IEC Pin and Sleeve Connector, and what's unique about it is that we've built in a motor-rated disconnecting mechanism into the connector so that there is no way that you could disconnect the power under load. So it's got redundant LEDs that tell you that you have power flowing from connector to plug, but when you disconnect, when you eject, the LEDs will go off showing you. But the unique thing here is that the power is no longer in the switch, but the connection is still made. When you pull the connector apart, the power is already dead, so there's no fear that there's going to be an arc drawn. So it is most certainly a safety device.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And what else are you showing? You have another new device.
We have another device which is a motor-rated disconnect switch. It's a very popular item for us, but what we've done is we've incorporated LED indicators on it that show line and load. So if you have power coming to the switch, you'll have 3 phases of LEDs that are illuminated, and when you turn it on to a motor load, you'll see those 3 phases light up as well. So if there's a problem with the switch and you have a welded contact, you can easily visually see that there's going to be a problem. It's a great asset for maintenance people because they can know what's going on inside the box before they even open it up.
Well, these are 2 great products. I can see why the people in your booth are excited to look at them. So there's a lot more to learn about them. Go to the URL you see on the screen and find out how they might be able to help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2017 Automation Fair event. I'll see you next time.